Hi guys, I'm back with an unboxing video. So I purchased a mystery box from Glitz Accessories and Such. This is their winter mystery box. Now that packaging is really pretty. So I already did a mani with some of the contents in this box, the gel polish that came in this mystery box. I will link that in the cards above if you would like to take a look at that video. So I'm just showing you the box again. Nice. I like the gold text on the black box. Again, winter themed box. It's still wintertime. We just had a snowstorm here in North Carolina. It was kind of terrible. You know, we don't just get snow, we get ice. But anyway, so in this box there's a few items. I questioned whether or not they were winter items. I think this box could have been a little bit better. I was a little disappointed in this particular box. Again, that confetti stuff that I do not like. Most of the items in this box were blue. You guys know I love me some blue, so I did like that fact with this box, that a lot of the items were blue. So it came with some loose glitter. Again, I have yet to use loose glitter in my manis, but I'll try it one day. Now these are some nice baby blue, you might even say they're periwinkle rhinestones, all different sizes. Nice color. I thought those was very pretty. I also came with some stickers. I believe these are snowflakes. Yeah, snowflakes, which I have a lot of snowflake stickers. I just don't use them that often. Isn't that shameful? So you can do a nice set of blue nails and throw you some snowflake stickers on there and be good to go. Now the second set of stickers that I got, these were more Christmas to me. They had reindeer and Christmas trees. So maybe, and they were like a rainbow iridescent or holographic type stickers, maybe next year. And then these glitter wood pieces, they were flowers. And I was like, how is this winter? Are these winter flowers? They look more like fall flowers to me. I didn't get that one. But I was like, whatever. Came with some loose glitter. I believe this is, I couldn't get it open. I believe these were stars, like silver stars, which again, I'm trying to think. Stars for the winter. I don't know. Didn't get that one either, but you know, whatever works. So I recorded this video quite some time ago, so that's why I'm kind of like, what is that? Stars. Yeah, I don't know about it. Nice pot though. I do like the packaging. And then we also have some loose blue glitter. Now that's a pretty color. Oh, I love royal blue. I think that is very, very pretty. Again, I like all shades, but something about navy and royal blue, pretty. So I'm guessing you could sugar a nail using that loose glitter. That would be pretty. But if you don't like textures on your nails, I surely wouldn't sugar a nail. Also came with these, I guess, pixie dust crystals. I guess if you want to, you know, put those on your nails and cover up some bigger rhinestones with that. And also the gel polish. Again, I did do a mani with this gel polish. Again, I don't think their gel polishes are HEMA free. I think they retail alone about $19.99 or $14.99. I don't remember. But again, I did do a mani with this color. It was not screaming winter to me. It was screaming more spring, summer because of the light shade of that blue. It's almost like turquoise. So I didn't get this color at all. I wish they would have put a darker blue in there since it was a winter themed box. I would even take it white. That would have been nice too. Or a silver. Silver would have been good too. And also came with some foil and this little pom-pom. Yeah, I was like, what am I gonna do with this pom-pom? But I didn't realize these things are magnetic. I was wondering for the longest. I'm like, how you wash your hands and do stuff with that on? It's magnetic, so you can take it off. I actually bought some hearts like that from Daily Charm. And then you have this iridescent foil. I guess you can do some what they call them, aurora nails. I don't know. It was just a lot. And I think this box was like $49.99. I think I wasn't impressed. I must say, I don't want to shade a company, but I will say, I think, was it worth the money? Yes, because those crystals alone, the pixie crystals, can be expensive along with the gel polish. But the contents weren't all screaming winter to me. But you guys will definitely have to let me know what you think about the contents of this specific box. Again, I did purchase this with my own money. So guys, thanks for watching. I'll see you next time.